Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ebi no butter shoyu yaki. It's shrimp cooked with buttery soy sauce. You're going to grill it in a little boat made with parchment paper. So it's very easy to serve and easy to clean. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this ebi no butter shoyu yaki. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 20 shrimps and your favorite vegetables. Today, I'm using onion, cabbage, and broccoli, but you can use any vegetables you like. This one is cooked broccoli, but you can of course use fresh one. 1 tablespoon each of mirin and sake, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of butter. As always, let's finish all the cutting. So onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half and slice it this way. Cabbage. Remove the core and let's cut it into bite-sized pieces. Vegetables are ready, so let's prepare the shrimp. Remove the shell and the legs. You can leave the tail on or you can take it off, either way you like. I'm going to leave it on. Okay, let's devein. On the belly side, devein it using a toothpick. On the back side, open it up and devein. All deveined. Let's rinse and dry. All the ingredients are ready, so let's make the sauce. You just need to put these 3 in one bowl. Soy sauce, mirin, and sake. Now, I'm making a little boat with parchment paper. So prepare 4 pieces of parchment paper, about this size, and 8 pieces of thread. Fold the parchment paper like an accordion. Like this. Then tie both ends. Open it up. And you have a little boat. Make 4 pieces of this. Set the boats on the oven sheet and put 1/4 of everything in each boat. Onion, cabbage, broccoli, and shrimps. One and half a tablespoon of the sauce in each boat. Half a tablespoon of butter. Okay, let's grill them in the oven. Grilled for about 20 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius, and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. いただきます。The buttery soy sauce is very flavorful and it makes everything so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Ebi no butter shoyu yaki is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here and kabocha no soup here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about shichimi potato for one of them and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.